Dawson, what are you doing in there? Why did you get in there? You thought it would be nice to sit in that? Are you having a regression? Are you getting jealous that you're not the baby no more? That's for Shella. That's for the baby. Not for Dawson. Smile. Alright, come on. You need to get out of there. Doesn't he, Rexy? Oh, you're comfy in there? Okay, well, you can stay in there. Are you crazy? Are you cuckoo on the head? That's not fun for you. Dawson thinks that he can still fit in that. And he just decided that he was going to get in that while Mommy was busy ironing Daddy's shirts. Say bye.